Imagine a small, determined bird named Pip. Pip lived in a crowded urban park. He was unlike the other pigeons. Instead of foraging, he had a dream. Pip wanted to learn to read. Others laughed and called him foolish. But Pip was undeterred and persistent. He visited the library near the park. Day after day, he watched readers. A friendly librarian, Miss Page, noticed Pip. Miss Page began leaving books open. Pip studied the words eagerly each day. Slowly, Pip started to understand letters. Months later, Pip could read simple stories. The park became his classroom and stage. Pip's success inspired the entire community.